Hello guys, how are you doing? Long story short, after spending about 2 weeks looking for a new bike to work on, because I was getting bored, this is what I came up with. This is what I found. It's a very nice Yamaha R1. It's the Big Bang model, 2009. It's in very good shape. Honestly, it's not like what we're used with on this channel, like proper rebuilds, changing fairings, painting, changing parts and all that. No, this is a good bike. It just have like a couple things to put together, but otherwise it's a good, perfect, rideable bike. Actually, I just came from 2 hours ride. It's the first time I'm riding a 1000, and obviously it's the first time I'm riding a R1, and it's amazing. I could only say that it's amazing. It's too much for me, honestly, but it's a very nice bike, and it sounds amazing even with the stock exhaust that it has. Yeah, so let me show you what I found as little problems. First of all, the easiest to see is that the wheels don't match, not the same color. Yeah. So this is something that we'll have to fix. And I think the black suits well to this frame and to this color scheme. So we'll paint this one in black. Another thing is right here. I don't know if you can see. Let me zoom in a little. You see right here we have a cracked panel. Looks like the hole that for the crash bung hasn't been drilled in the right position, and I think it's been forced in, and eventually it cracked. So we'll have to do something about that. Also, there's a very small crack over here in this panel. And a very small scratch over here. Otherwise, the bike looks great. It looks very good. It has a little carbon fiber on it, like this rear fender. It also has, whoop, crazy gimbal. Also has this chain guard. Has this right here, this cover. I don't even know what it covers. Looks like the coolant bottle probably. Yeah, it has a tank protector, carbon fiber, and also the air ducts. They look pretty cool. Yeah. So apart from the two things that I mentioned, the wheel and the cracks on the panels that I have to fix, I also have to fix an exhaust leak. So right over here somewhere, it's leaking, it's blowing. So we have to figure that out. You could even feel a bit more heat on that side, probably because of that. Yeah, but there's nothing bad. Yeah, so this is the bike that we'll be working on next couple of weeks, hopefully. Another thing, sorry, it's the front tire. It came up as an advisory on the MOT, so we'll have to make sure that's done also. We don't want to have such a bike with an old tire, especially on the front. Yeah. So let's get to it. have a data tool alarm, which I think it's been deactivated. Yeah, most probably. What else? This looks nasty. I think there's something in here. More nasty wiring. Oh, look at this. I think this also has integrated signals. If you look at the wiring, you see it's not in use because it has this factory ones. And we have a quick shifter controller here. Yeah, because I forgot to mention it has a quick shifter. Yeah, we need to tidy up all this mess in here because it doesn't look proper. It doesn't look proper at all. I don't like this. There's also something else in there. I don't know if you can see this piece right here. Yeah, so probably this tail section will come off, just so I can work inside there. Yeah. Alright guys, this is what I've managed till now. As you can see already, everything's much tidier, no more red connectors in here, everything's done properly. You see, they all look as they should, they're connected where they have to be. This is just some connectors from the alarm, which I'll keep here This is the fuse from the alarm. I'll put it later. Right now I don't want to hear it. This is just the antenna from the alarm. Everything stays tucked in here. Quite secure, I think. Yeah, this is not you know, this is not moving anymore. The rear tail light, it's secure. Connections are done nicely. The extra wiring, it's tucked in, not in the way anymore. Yeah, it looks much cleaner now. If you disagree, let me know in the comments.